All right, today we're talking about my two favorite desk jockey RX exercises to do with the foam roller. Okay, so sometimes we roll with this, but here's two static moves that I like to do. I actually had a client just leave, and she does a lot of gardening, which is wonderful. She's not being too sedentary, but she is still hunched over. She usually sits in a small kind of rolling stool, and then she's bent over a bush or shrub, or she's pruning. So what does she do to unglue that position and get out of that position? What is her RX? It's this. And a high density foam roller, 20 bucks on Amazon. I like to use these, but you can use a low density one. You can maybe use a pillow in that, but these foam rollers are pretty nice for that. This is the 3 foot long one. All right, first thing, I'm gonna lay back almost as if I'm doing a crunch and support your neck if you need to. Tuck your chin back, okay, or ramp your head. I talked about that in another video, where my chin is kind of tucked, and then I'm just gonna fold over, kind of drape over the foam roll, and then come back up. So drape over it and come back up. So it looks like you're doing a crunch, but I'm more concerned with, maybe a little more from the side, I'm more concerned with that mobility right there, all right? Trying to get out of that forward flexed position and just provide some extension throughout your thoracic spine, your upper back spine. So go back, feel that, come back up. If you feel like you're losing your breath, it's taking your breath away, you're probably too low on your ribs, which is, then you're compressing your diaphragm a little bit. So then you can just come up kind of between your shoulder blades, hit a spot there, and then go a little higher, hit a little higher segment, maybe 5 or 10 times there, and then a little higher. You'll be able to hit 2 or 3 spots in your upper spine, okay? Just loosen that up. So that's one way to get out of this forward flex position. The other one, these are probably the 2 most bang for your buck exercises. They're simple to do, but just to lie back like so. So you can do this without the foam roller. I'm just showing 2 moves with the foam roller today. You can do this on your back, on the floor, but just the lie back here, okay? So feet are about hip width, knees are bent, and I'm just gonna relax back. So my sacrum, my butt's on the foam roller, and my head is on the foam roller. I'm completely supported, my axial skeleton, my spine, my vertebrae, completely supported, and I'm just gonna lay back here. Listen to your shoulders. You don't want any shoulder pain here, okay? We can do other things. We can loosen up that shoulder impingement with some hanging and other things we've done in other videos, but this one, just lie back, and then I can do kind of a snow angel move if I wanna do something a little more dynamic. I can reach high overhead. Then what I also like to do is reach here, and I can go up, reach towards the ceiling, and then wrap my shoulder blades around the foam roller, up to the ceiling, and wrap my shoulder blades around the foam roller, and then I can shrug up and down, like a up and down shrug, which is actually kind of a horizontal movement on the foam roller, and that's gonna work and just kind of massage some of those muscles that get stretched out, knotted up, and a little cranky while you're sitting all day, all right? So 2 quick foam roller exercises. You spend 3 minutes like I just did. Have that in your office, have that at home. Put that in your home office. Put this in your home office. Put it in your environment where you're gonna see it, and it's gonna cue you to do a couple of these exercises. Every time you hit a break or you just can't think of the next thing, or you shut down your inbox, what new thing you're gonna open up, do this first. Knock out these 2. I'll see you next time on another Desk Jockey RX video. Thanks.